Bali, an island whispered to hold thousands of sacred temples. While many seek the iconic image of Pura Ulun Danu Tamblingan floating gracefully on its lake, journey with us now to a place less traveled, a realm of mist, serenity, and ancient whispers. Welcome to Pura Ulun Danu Tamblingan. Nestled deep within Bali's northern highlands, far from the coastal crowds, lies the tranquil Lake Tamblingan. Cradled beside its twin, Lake Boyan, within an ancient volcanic caldera, this is a landscape steeped in natural beauty and mystique, and on its quiet shores sits Pura Ulun Danu Tamblingan, a hidden gem guarding the sacred waters. Reaching this temple is often a pilgrimage in itself. Many arrive after trekking through lush emerald rainforests, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and foliage, often veiled in a soft morning mist, especially at dawn. The lake and its temple possess an ethereal, almost dreamlike quality, a world away from the everyday. Like its famous sibling on Lake Beratan, the name Ulun Danu translates to head of the lake or source of the lake. This isn't just a name, it signifies profound importance. These temples are vital spiritual anchors for Bali's incredible Subak irrigation system, a UNESCO World Heritage marvel. Pura Ulun Danu Tamblingan is dedicated to Dewi Danu, the Balinese Hindu goddess of lakes and rivers. For centuries, local communities have looked to these waters for life, for irrigating their fields. Prayers and offerings rise from this sacred ground, seeking blessings for fertility, prosperity, and the delicate harmony between humanity and nature. Its roots run deep, intertwined with the ancient Tamblingan civilization believed to have thrived here long ago. This makes the temple not just a place of living worship, but a silent witness to centuries of Balinese history and spirituality. Architecturally, you might find it simpler than Bali's grander complexes, yet its true beauty lies in its understated elegance and its seamless blend with the surrounding wilderness. Traditional gates, quiet shrines, slender multi-tiered Meru towers, they stand not in defiance of the landscape, but as an integral part of it. The atmosphere here is one of profound peace. The relative silence, broken only by the soft symphony of nature, invites contemplation. It's a space to disconnect, to breathe deeply and feel the quiet spiritual pulse of the island. Getting here is part of the magic. You might trek through the vibrant jungle, discovering hidden waterfalls along the way, or perhaps glide across the glassy lake in a traditional dugout canoe, known as a pedal, watching the temple slowly emerge from the mist, a truly unforgettable perspective. Unlike the bustling energy often found at Lake Beratan, Tamblingan offers tranquility. It's a chance to connect with Bali's sacred landscape without the crowds, offering a more intimate and personal experience. As with all sacred sites in Bali, remember to tread lightly and respectfully. Dress modestly, a sarong and sash are essential. Keep your voice low, observe quietly, and soak in the peaceful energy. Consider engaging a local guide to deepen your understanding, and please leave only footprints, taking all your belongings and any rubbish with you. Pura Ulun Danu Tamblingan is more than just a destination, it's an experience, a journey into Bali's quieter, perhaps more ancient soul. It stands as a serene guardian, a reminder of the deep, enduring connection between nature, spirit, and the Balinese people. If you seek serenity off the beaten path, a place where mist meets mystery and tranquility reigns, this mystical guardian of the lake awaits.